If you look at the mountain ranges behind me over here, that's Area 51. And then we have this vast, vast desert. And one thing comes to mind: graboids. Yes, we're in Nevada, and this is prime graboid territory.
Hey everyone, this is Hannah from the Paddy Wagon, and behind the camera is Scott from Squatch America, and we are here, as you can see, at the extraterrestrial highway. We have our stickers, and I'm going to go put them on the pole right now. This is so cool. We are joining the numbers of other famous stickered people that have put their stickers on the pole of the extraterrestrial highway. Now, I bet you're wondering why we as Squatchers give a rat's behind about the terrestrial highway. Well, you know, we might not lump E.T. in with into the same category as Bigfoot, but you know what? Everyone else does, so why not join the party, right?
Hi, we're at the world famous black mailbox. Dun dun dun. Now supposedly you can stick your letter in here and the aliens will pick it up. It looks like a lot of people put their stickers in here, and we're going to put our stickers in here too.
I love how they want the aliens to experience Kraft macaroni and cheese.
They do.
That's hilarious.
And one says, "Aliens, please come and take me to my family."
Okay. So, oh look, you can stick them right down here.
I know. Looks like somebody painted over. I saw Eric from Pneumatic Fanatic put his in here just a few weeks ago, and I don't see it. So, looks like they painted over them. We'll put ours up there. Cow horn. Cattle mutilations. Offering.
Are you having trouble with that sticker there?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, so we have Paddy Wagon sticker and the Scotch America sticker. There we go, we've done the thing.
Scott here from the Paddy Wagon, and I know normally we're out in the woods looking for Bigfoot, but right now it kind of looks deserty behind me because we are just outside of a town called Rachel, Nevada. In other words, Area 51. And we found something in the desert here, so we had to commandeer this vehicle because out in the desert you find these things laying everywhere. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's an authentic, real-life UFO. And I'm sticking to that. Just outside of the little alien.
In memory of little Rachel, February 15, 1978 through May 24, 1980, daughter of John and Debbie Jones. She was the first baby born here, delivered at home by her father, and we named our town Rachel in her honor just 2 weeks after her birth. A place to go where they play the rock music. Everything is. I don't remember the words.
We have this vast desert that I'm standing in right now. And one thing comes to mind. Graboids. Yes, we're in Nevada, and this is prime graboid territory. I'll find him. I don't know if you can see past the sun out there, but if you look really close, there's a dust trail going out across the desert there. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is your first shot of a graboid. We'll see if we can get it to come this way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's day 3 out here in Rachel, Nevada, outside the outskirts of Area 51. And so far we've combed the desert, and other than a couple dust trails off in the distance, we have not been able to lure in a graboid. But I know they're out here. They're probably just as crafty as Sasquatch, I'm beginning to figure. They're pretty smart. So we're all packed up. We're gonna move on, and I think we're gonna head south a little bit. And I heard of a new monster in Arizona. I think we're gonna go find it.